Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a project that's truly one for the books. Tucked away and forgotten for over half a century, we found this incredible piece of history in abandoned armored truck. Just look at this thing. It's a solid steel beast, and you can just feel the stories it could tell. It's been sitting here, exposed to the elements, for 50 long years. The rust is thick, the engine hasn't turned over in decades, and the interior is a complete time capsule. Our mission, if we choose to accept it, is to bring this cash-in-transit legend back from the dead. This isn't just a simple paint job, we're talking about a full, ground-up restoration. We'll be tackling everything from the heavily rusted body panels to the seized engine and the fortress-like interior. Can you imagine what it took to build something this tough back in the day? The sheer thickness of the steel and the reinforced everything is just mind-blowing. The first step is the toughest, getting it out of here and back to the workshop. Then, the real fun begins. We'll start by stripping it down, piece by painful piece, to see exactly what we're dealing with. Every nut and bolt will tell a part of its story. We'll have to fabricate new parts, hunt down rare components, and pour countless hours into reviving this forgotten giant. It's going to be a massive challenge, but the thought of hearing that engine roar back to life and seeing it roll down the road once more is what drives us. This is going to be one of our biggest and most rewarding restorations ever. We're going to document every single step of this incredible journey, from the first toe to the final polish. You won't want to miss a second of this transformation. Make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on, because you're about to witness the resurrection of an armored titan. It's going to be an epic ride. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.